welcome icon today. Introducing Krillin Portable Car Vacuum Cleaner. It features a 150-watt motor that comes with an aluminum alloy constructed fan instead of the typical plastic blades in conventional vacuum cleaners. This gives the Krillin Car Vacuum an amazing suction power of up 7,500 pascals. It is perfect pluggable into your car's cigarette light port to provide your car with deep cleaning. It comes to a long tube, slot pipette, extended hose, brush nozzle, and carrying bag. Feature: strong suction, handy attachments with reusable double filter, lightweight and portable design, large and translucent bin is easy to clean, cleans tough messes with least amount of passes, comes with 16-foot power cord and multi-type extension pipe. Professional level design is comfortable, convenient with 2-year warranty.